Okay, so let's start with the degenerate cases of circle. No? So ano po ba si degenerate cases? No, so ideally kasi guys, kapag binigyan tayo ng standard form, let's say meron tayong x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, automatic guys, alam natin that the center is at point H and K and your R is already given, so need mo lang square root si R squared. No, so malalaman mo na kaagad yung ating radius and malalaman mo na kaagad ang ating center. So what if ang given sa atin ay ang ating general form? Let's say meron kang x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So, hindi mo siya alam kung paano mo i-convert ang ating or paano mo malalaman ang ating center or ang ating radius considering na meron tayong general form. So, ang pinakaunang step na ginagawa natin noon is we need to convert natin yan to standard form. No? So, pag kinonvert natin yan, mapupunta siya dito and malalaman na natin yung center at kung ano yung radius natin. But, in degenerate cases for circle, meron po tayong way para malaman si center and si radius na kaagad. No? So, paano yon? So, for general form, if need mong hanapin ang center lang daw natin dito ay negative d over 2 and negative e over 2. So that is already the center given the general form. Next, sir, paano naman po ang ating radius? No, so for radius naman po, that is r, is equal to, square root lang yan guys, ng ating d squared plus e squared minus 4f all over 4. No, so eto naman po yung radius na kailangan natin. No, so next naman, under ni degenerate cases, meron kasi tayong tendency na yung ating general form ay hindi talaga siya circle. No, so meron tayong tinatawag na discriminant. No, so si discriminant, ginagamit natin siya para ma-identify natin kung circle ba talaga yung given sa atin na problem. So, paano yon? So, yung discriminant, guys, that is simply d squared plus e squared minus 4f. Now, if yan daw discriminant mo ay greater than 0, therefore, yung ating problem daw ay circle. Pero, if your discriminant d squared plus e squared minus 4f ay nag-equal daw kay 0, ang tawag naman daw natin dyan ay single point. And if your d squared plus e squared naman minus 4f ay less than 0 naman, ang tawag naman natin dyan ay empty set. No? So, bakit po empty set? Kasi hindi naman tayo nag-square root ng negative numbers. No? Kapag less than 0, di ba? Negative 1, negative 2, and need mong i-square root ang radius natin, di ba? So, kapag in-square mo ang negative, automatic, imaginary ang lalabas. So, kailangan nating tandaan etong mga to para malaman natin kung itutuloy pa ba natin yung ating solution or hindi na. Kasi kapag lumabas dyan guys ay single point or lumabas empty set, as is na yon. Yun na yung final answer. We don't have to continue solving for the standard form or solving for the center or solving for the radius of the circle. So let's have an example. So for number 1, so given tayo ng general form. So sulat muna natin yung given. So, for our given, meron tayo dyan D, no? So, ano yung D natin? We have positive 4. No? So, eto yun guys. Yung kasama ni um, x, no? So, lagay natin red. No? So, ano naman po yung ating e? No? So, yung e naman natin, yung kasama naman ni y, that is negative 14. Then, ano naman yung f natin? So, for our f, equal naman yan dito. So, that is 49. So, first things first, need natin malaman si center. Ano ba ang center natin? Sinabi natin that the center is simply negative d over 2 and negative e over 2. So, for our center, solve natin siya guys. Negative d daw, so that is negative 4 all over 2. And yung isa naman is negative, then nasa loob ng negative is another negative over 2. No? So, simplify natin for our center. Negative 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2. And negative, negative, magiging positive. So, that is positive 7. No? So, that is already the center of the circle. No? So, center. May center na tayo. Next, solve natin si discriminant. Kasi baka mamaya, hindi naman pala siya center, ay hindi naman pala siya circle. Ano pang silbi na meron tayong center, di ba? So, solve natin si discriminant. Sabi natin, your discriminant is simply d squared plus e squared minus 4f. No? So, for d squared, we have 4 squared plus e squared daw natin, we have negative 14. Negative 14. Then, naka-squared din yan. Minus, meron daw tayong 4 times daw ng 49 or 4f. No? So, hindi pa natin alam kung saan yan mag-equal, no? So, arrange natin 4 squared, that is simply 16, plus, we have negative 4 times negative 4, negative 14 times negative 14, that is 196, minus, meron kang 49 times 4. So, negative 4 times 49, that is equal to 196. So, divide natin guys, minus natin guys. So, 196 divided by 196, cancel. Ibig sabihin, meron kang 16. And 16 is greater than 0, therefore, it is a circle. No? So, mas malaki yung 16 kay 0, ibig sabihin, yung ating given na general form ay circle talaga. No, now, pag circle yan, need na natin siyang isolve. No? So, paano natin isosolve, guys? So, meron tayong 16, tama? So, yung 16 na yan, guys, kung mapapansin ninyo, halos same lang naman yan doon sa discriminant formula natin, tama? So, naalala ba? Eto. So, kung mag-check ninyo dyan, guys, yung ating R dyan ay simply d squared plus e squared minus 4f all over 4. Pero, naka-square root siya. Pero, kung mapapansin ninyo dito sa discriminant natin, halos same lang siya. So, yung numerator natin dito, so, eto guys, yung sinasabi ko, eto, same lang naman siya dito, di ba? So, ang kaibahan lang, meron tayong 4 and meron tayong square root na sign, no? So, ibig sabihin, yung numerator natin to solve the radius ay yung lumabas dito sa kabila na 16. No? So, mayroon 16 na tayo. So, your d squared plus e squared minus 4f is equal to 16. So, solve for radius natin. That is simply equal to d squared plus e squared minus 4f all over 4. So, your r is simply equal to square root of 16 divided by 4. So, your r is equal to square root daw. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So, that is square root of 4. So, your r is equal to 2. So, may R is equal to 2 ka na. So, paano natin yan ngayon i-arrange? May center ka na, may radius ka na. So, for the standard form of the circle, we have x plus 2 squared plus y minus 7 squared is equal to what? 2 ba ang gagamitin natin? Diba, based on our formula, r squared ang dapat. Ibig sabihin, dapat yan ay r squared. Meron tayo dito r lang. So, need natin yan is-square both sides. So, r squared is equal to 4. So, equal dapat yan kay 4. So, that's the standard form of the given general form. Next, number 2. So, for number 2, same case guys. Let's try to check for D. Now, so for our D, equal daw yan kay negative 6. Eto yan guys. Then next, yung ating E naman, equal yan kay negative 10. Eto naman yan. So, for negative 10 ang E. Then your F is equal to what? Eto naman yan guys. That is 39. So, solve natin muna si center. So, for our center, again, review tayo. Center is negative D over 2 and negative E over 2. So, for our center, we have negative, pero naka-negative ulit si negative 6 all over 2. And negative yung E, pero naka-negative din yung E na given natin. That is negative 10 all over 2. So, for our center, we have negative times negative. That is positive. So, positive 3 and we have positive 5. So, meron na tayong center, guys. So, ganun siya kabilis. Next, guys, solve for the discriminant. So, for our discriminant, again, that is simply D squared plus E squared minus 4F. So, meron na tayong D. So, that is simply negative 6 squared plus we have negative 10 squared is equal ay minus 4 times F natin na 39. 39, yan. So, simplify natin guys yung ating given. We have here 36 plus 100 minus, so that is negative 4 times 39 equal yan kay 156. So, equal yan kay 136 minus 156 equal yan kay negative 20. So, anong sabi natin if it's less than 0? So, negative 20 is less than 0. Therefore, that is what? That is an empty set. Now, so anong next na gagawin pag empty set siya, guys? So, wala na. So, as is na yan. So, yan na yung magiging final answer. So, the equation is an empty set. Or the given general form is an empty set. Now, so, okay na yan. Next, number 3. So, for number 3, same case tayo, guys. So, lagay muna natin si D. For our D, that is equal kay negative 14. Dito yan galing. And yung ating E naman is positive 12. Dito naman yan galing. And your F is equal to 85. No? So, dito naman yan galing. So, solve natin si center. So, lagi tayo kay center mag-start. That is negative D over 2 and negative E over 2. So, for our center, meron daw tayong negative na 14. So, negative, negative. All over 2. And yung isa naman, negative, then positive yung 12 over 2. No, so, for our center, we have negative, negative. Magiging positive yan. Positive 14 divided by 2, that is 7. And negative 12 divided by 2, that is negative 6. So, meron na tayong center. Next, solve for the discriminant. No? So, after solving the center, we need to solve for the discriminant. No, again, ano ba ang discriminant natin? That is d squared plus e squared minus 4f. No, so d squared natin, that is negative 14. So that is negative 14 squared. Then plus e squared natin, that is 12 squared minus 4 times 85. No? So 85 kasi yung ating given. No? So that is 14 squared, that is 196 plus we have 100, block natin. That is 196 plus 144 minus 4, negative 4 times 85, that is 340. Now, so 340, then 196 plus 144, that is equal kay 340 minus 340. Therefore, 0 is equal to 0. So, the final answer is single point. So, single point ang sagot. So, dito yan galing, guys. Ayan. So, eto siya. Single point. Next, number 4. So, for number 4, again, start tayo kay letter D. So, for our D, that is negative 22. So, for our E, that is positive 18. No? So, dito galing yan. Bilugan natin para hindi malito. Then, for our F, that is equal to 201. No? So, equal sign. Lagay natin equal sign. Nakalimutan ko siya. Then, first things first, solve for the center. No? So, we have negative D over 2 and negative E over 2. So, for our center, we have negative, then negative 22 over 2. Then, we have 18 over 2. So, that is equal to, center natin, guys. Guys, negative ito. So, sorry, nakaligtaan natin. So, negative, negative, that is positive 12. No? So, 22 divided by 2. Ay, that's 11 pala, sorry. 11. That is 11. Positive siya, guys. Then, negative 2 times, negative 18 times 2, that is negative 9. So, that is the center. Then, next, solve for the discriminant. So, for our discriminant, we have d squared plus e squared minus 4. So, d squared natin ay negative 22 squared plus e squared natin, we have 18 squared minus 4 times ng 201. No? So, 22 squared, that is 484 plus meron tayong 18 squared, that is 324. Then, meron tayong negative 4 times mo daw kay 201, that is negative 804. So, simplify natin, guys. That is 484 plus 324, that is 808 minus mo daw kay 804. So, 808 minus 804, that is equal to, we have and 4 is greater than 0. Therefore, it is a circle. So, circle siya guys. Again, pag circle ang ating given, kailangan nating isolve ang standard form. So, again, radius natin, r is equal to d squared plus e squared minus 4f all over 4. Then, naka-square root. So, your r is equal to 4 divided by 4. Then, naka-square root. So, your r is simply square root of 1 or r is equal to 1. No? So, for our r squared or r squared natin is still equal to 1. Kasi 1 times 1 is still 1. So, we can now solve for the standard form that is x minus 11 squared plus y plus 9 squared is equal to 1. So, that is the standard form of the given general form. Then number 5. So let's proceed with the last problem. So for number 5, again, start tayo kay letter D. For our D, that is negative 26. For our E, that is negative 24. And for our F, that is 308. So solve for the center first. Negative D over 2 and negative E over 2. No, so dyan siya lagi nag-i-start. So for our center, we have negative, then negative din yung 26 divided by 2, and negative, then negative din si 24, negative din ang 24 divided by 2. No, so that is negative times negative, that is equal to positive. Therefore, positive 26 divided by 2, that is positive 13. Then negative times negative, that is positive 24. Divided by 2, that is equal kay positive 12. May center ka na. Then solve for the discriminant. Ang ating discriminant daw ay d squared plus e squared minus 4f. So we have negative 26 squared plus negative 24 squared minus 4 times 308. Now, so negative 26 squared, that is equal to 676 plus we have negative 24 squared, that is equal to 576 minus, so bakit minus? That is negative 4 times 308, that is equal to 1,232. Now, simplify natin yung given natin. So, we have 676 plus 576. That is equal to 1,252. So, simplify naman natin yung isa. We have minus 1,232. No? So, pag-combine natin yung ating mismong equation, so that is 1,252 minus mo daw ng 1,232 equal yan kay 20. So, therefore, 20 is greater than 0. So, this is a circle. No? So, if it's a circle, solve for the standard form. So, for the standard form of our circle, solve natin si radius. No, so, for our radius, sinabi natin, that is simply r is equal to d squared plus e squared minus 4f all over 4 na kay square root. So your r is simply equal to 20 divided by 4. Then r is equal to square root of 5. Now, for our r squared, need natin i-square both sides. That is equal by 5. So, makakancel lang natin, guys. Eto, then magkakaroon ng 2 dito. So, for our standard form, we have x minus 13 squared plus y minus 12 squared is equal to 5. So, that is the standard form of the general form na given kay circle. So you may now take a screenshot of the problems and good luck on your reviews.